Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is style our widgets. And we're going to start off, remember all of our sidebars, we gave that class of widget. So we're going to start off by styling that. And that is here, widgets. And we'll go to options and say widgets, and our font settings. I want my fonts to be 15 pixels here. The font weight will be default. The line height we're going to leave alone. The text align will be left. We're going to leave margin and padding alone for a moment. Widget titles, font size will be, let's say, 28 pixels. And let's make the font weight bold. We're going to scroll down to our, let's see, we're going to leave margin and padding alone for a moment. We'll leave widget lists alone. Our typography is going to be set for a, yeah, let's just leave that one set at 200. Hit save. We've now sort of affected the general styles, but you notice there were no font color settings in there. And so we need to create 3 new packages in order to change font colors. And the first package is going to be a single element style, and we're going to call it widget heading. Yeah, we'll just call it widget heading. Reference will be widget heading. The selector is going to be .widget h4 because that's what we chose for our widget heading. So it's going to be .widget h4. The option here, we've already set the font size, so we won't worry about that, but we are going to set the font color. And in that case, I want this really light green color. That's the color I want for that color. That's the heading color. Is that the right color, 878? Yeah, I think it is. And then we're going to leave the background alone. Everything else we're going to leave alone for the moment. So we'll just hit save for that. And then make sure that we put this in. Whoops. It's going to be widget heading. And then next we're going to do a widget font. Reference will be widget font, and the body will be widget, and the name will be widget font, and the option text color is going to be white. And we'll hit save to that. And then we're going to add one more of those. And instead of widget font, that's going to be widget link. And now we're not going to pick a single element style. We're going to pick a link package for this. So we'll add that package. The name will be widget link. The reference will be widget link. The CSS selector will be .widget A. The options, our link color will be EF. Text decoration will be none. Our hovered links will be white. And text decoration will be underline. I think that's all we have to do there. Hit save. I think we can hit save and compile, and all of our text is going to end up looking the way we want it to look. Okay, so we're close. We have this, something is taking that link, obviously the footer links. There must be a footer link set up here. Footer. Oh yeah, so here's, I forgot. So you've got this additional CSS place where you can write your own CSS, and that CSS was written as additional CSS, and it was more specific, so it overran my settings. Now, my express goal here is to demonstrate how to do this stuff without actually writing code, but clearly there are going to be cases where writing code will be useful to you, and it might be simpler. So in this case, it might actually have been simpler to just write widget heading code rather than creating this. But nevertheless, it's my goal was here to show you how to do this without that. And I think I guess I probably need a little bit more top padding in that widget, footer widgets column. I must have put it inside of footer. I did put it inside of footer. All right, padding, I did. So let's just make it 145 pixels of top padding. Hit save. Save again. That should move that stuff down. There we go. That's much better looking.